Okay, this is 2667 Camino del Rio South in San Diego, California. It's got an Otis elevator. This is a look at the building. It's very nice. You got a camera right there. Very nice. All right, now we should be able to get on. And here's the elevator. Going up?
Going up.
Which one are you going to?
3.
3.
Good.
Perfect.
You're filming that.
I like the way elevators work, yep. Just different types of models, vintage, old, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you put together some type of
Yeah,
podcast?
just a record, you know, just trying to, you know, I just like to take videos of them.
Nice.
Well, have a good one.
Hey, you too.
Thank you. This actually might be a mod based on the tour track. Here's the phone. Don't know what that is. Watch across the level. We'll go down to the ground one more time, and then we'll end it on the plaza level. It's a nice elevator overall. Love the cab on this thing, and the brass handrails. Very, very nice. Plaza.